Nice and easy, doesn't take a lot of effort, and that's all you got to do. Welcome back, everybody, to another edition of AL13 panel install videos. Today we're going to show you how to install a fascia band. So first we're going to look at the layout needed for this fascia band. Because we've already installed the wall and the soffit, we want to run our vertical reveals up and over into the fascia band. And as you can see in the middle of the screen, we have our back plate, our full back plate, cut so that it is 3 inches from the bottom and 3 inches from the top, so that our extrusions go in nicely together. Adel is right now, he's installing all the system clips. Like before, we want to keep them about 3 inches from the corners, and in this situation, because we have a rain screen detail, which means we've cut our half back plates at the bottom of the fascia in 3.2 inch increments, and we've made them 16 inch on center. So he's just installing the clips on everything so that we can start snapping panels back in. So now we've completed the installation of all the clips on every component that we require. We have pre-cut the panels according to our measurements. In this situation where we have a non-high traffic area, we're going to peel the protective film fully off and go ahead and install the panel to the wall. So now Adel is installing our first panel on the left side, and he's tucking in his reveal cap and engaging the top cap. Please always keep in mind when measuring and cutting panels, use a non-ferrous blade and make sure that you're leaving 1/8 of an inch all the way around the perimeter of the panel for expansion and contraction purposes. So now we're installing the center reveal, and in this shot we're demonstrating how to apply the sled in the middle of the reveal cap and engaging over top of the back plate so we don't damage any of the reveals or panels. So we're on our final panel, and we're just removing the protective film again, and we're going to install the last piece. And in this process, it is fairly simple, and we're now going to look at our perimeter reveal cap for the bottom course of our fascia band. The perimeter reveal at the bottom course of this fascia band has a leg so that you don't see the back of the system, and we've tucked it into the right side, and we've also have a back plate where we connect 2 extrusions on a wall, and that's what Adel is showing you right there. Again, remember, our extrusions for our panel system come in 8-foot lengths, so make sure that you plan your back plates accordingly based on how you're installing your system. So we have our final piece, we're tucking it into the end frame, and we're almost complete. He's going to tuck it in now, nice and easy, doesn't take a lot of effort, and that's all you got to do.
Subscribe.
And again, thank you for tuning in to our simple fascia band installation. If you have any other details that you require for fascia band installations, please contact your local rep, and we'd be happy to help you through any solution that you need.